Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. For those of you who work with clamps a lot, the threads on your clamps will get rusty. It's just inherent with using them. And what I do is I take and spray mine and run them in and out of the little holder right here and get all that lubricated. And then I take and spray a liberal amount up here, because what it'll do, it'll catch those threads and it'll run down and go back down. But I do this about once a month on all these type clamps that I have to keep them operational. And these clamps, I've probably had these 20 years now, probably more than that, and never have had any problem with them. They're sturdy enough for what I use them for. And I just use WD-40 on them, and that suffices. And if more severe methods are needed, I can always do that too. But these two, they'll sit out here all day today, and then I'll put them up tonight, wipe them off. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.